Hi boss. Yes, it's the Filtech Expo in Germany. I'm keeping track of it. It's from June 30 to July 2nd. So you want me to double check the samples? I'm checking. You mean pen pocket medium? Green one or white one? Okay, green one. So I will arrange it. So what was the other one? Do you mean the fiberglass pocket medium and synthetic pocket medium? Okay, got it. So how about the glass fiber for filter? Okay, boss. No problem. I will arrange it. We have been inviting our client to our booth, M20 Hot 7. Yes. So you want a drink? Okay, so Germany here? Okay, come on, join and drink with us.